Hello everyone, I welcome you all here once again. My name is Sergeant Abdul Basit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a picture on Inshot and how you can also create a collage on Inshot. So fine, you come to picture, you come to photo if you want to edit a picture, and what you need to do is just select any picture you want. Let me select this for example. And if you look at it, after clicking on the picture, you're going to have a lot of options. You have canvas, you have filter, you have adjust, we have effect, and all of that. We are going to go through them. So here, if you click on this, you are going to, all the border you have initially are going to go away. You understand? And your canvas is just to show you if you want it to have all borders like this, like this, like this till the end. You have them, but then it's better you leave it as no frame and continue. Or if you increase this, it's going to zoom the picture in, but it's best you leave it at 0. So come to filter, can edit it to your choice, like edit it to whatever it is you want. There are some that are pro while some are free, right? So you can just use the ones that are free to achieve whatever it is you want to achieve. So editing picture is just, maybe you want to have a new touch to that picture, you want it to show, or you want it to be something else entirely. You understand? You don't want the main color of the picture to show. You can use this kind of picture when you are just about to, maybe launch a particular thing. You can just use picture, the edited picture, just to show that okay, we are coming, or they should anticipate and all of that. So go back to original and leave it like that. So you have the filter. So after that you have the adjust. The adjust is just talking about the lightness, the contrast. If you increase it, this is what you have: the warmth, the tints, saturation. Look at the saturation, for example. Now you see the difference. So these are just ways you can edit your picture. This vignette is going to give it one kind of like darkened stuff, right? So look at this. So this is how this is. So this is how it is. You can adjust the lightness, the contrast, the warmth. You can always play around it to get whatever it is you want. You can come to effect also to add effects like this to it. So just go around all the effects and choose the one you feel it's going to work for you. So if it is pro, you can decide not to use it and use the ones that are free version. So there are much. You have the glitch, you have the split, you can see this is pro, for example. This is pro 2, this is retro. We have them. They are much like that. My data is on, I guess, but I guess the network. Look at this too. Look at this. So we have the celebrate, we have all of this, so you can always use them. This is pro feature on Inshot. So you have this also. You have the distort too. Just play around them and you're going to get it. So I'm going to leave it as original because I don't want anything. So fine, that's the effect. The background, so you can change it. At it being, we have look at what we have now. Immediately I added a background, it's changed to black, and it puts the picture backwards, right? If I change it to white now, look at what I'm going to have. So you can always come here to choose the colors you want, but then I'm not using anything. We just leave it like that. So that is it about the background. Aside that, you can also use the picture itself as background, right? So like that. We have templates too. We have templates, but what you just need to do in case of template is to, you are going to go to that app that pop up to change the template. This is sticker, and you can use any of the stickers that you have that Inshot provides you with. So you can use any of the stickers that Inshot provides you with. So that is it. If it is that you want to add your own picture, you can always come here and import a particular picture. Let's say you want to import this, for example. I'm just using it as an example. You want to import this. Maybe the picture could actually be your own logo, right? It could actually be your own logo. You just put it somewhere here, or put it on the stuff, and you come over, edit it, and you edit the transparency. You see what we have, right? So you can always come and do the editing yourself. So that is what that is for. So aside that, we have the cutout. I think I showed us the, no, I've not showed us that. We have the text. You can always come add text to your picture. It could be your brand name, it could be anything. And let me just add ISS, for example. ISS. So you can come here, change the color of the text, change the border, the shadow to increase it. The label, you can add a label, something like this. The opacity, you can increase or decrease it. And can change the fonts too. The text fonts. Let's leave that by Berbers. And this label, let's remove it, and we can increase this. The opacity, you can reduce it because you just want it to show slightly on the picture, right? So here is the text, how big you want it to be, the character, the spacing, and like that. So that is it for that one. The cutout is just to, if you remove it now, this cutout is just more of like removing the background of that particular picture, right? So you can remove it. This one, if you remove the background, you are not satisfied, you can use this to clean some parts off, like that. So we have this also, so just to give a border to your picture. Look at this. So but we are not using any of it. So that is how it is. We have the crop too. If you want to crop that particular picture, you can always crop it. You can choose the dimension you want, the canvas you want, and crop it out. But let's leave it as no frame since we are not cropping. But if it is that you want to crop, just come, or as it is like this, just come and crop to how it is you want it. So that is it for this. You have the frame too. You can always frame your stuff. You see, always frame your stuff, but I don't think we have any reason to frame this now. I don't think there's any reason to frame this. So leave it as normal as it was. We didn't change the background, right? So fine. You're not supposed to have this. Sorry. You're not supposed to have this, so come back to this. That was a mistake. This background too, we're not supposed to have it. Let's come back here. We've changed it. Has changed to Facebook. That is why. So leave it as no frame. So that's why it's like that. So rotation, you can rotate your picture to how you want it to be. You can flip it right and left too. The angle too, you can always do that. But it's good to leave it as 0. You don't have any reason to. You can zoom in and zoom out. So this is how you can edit your picture on Inshot app, right? This is how you can edit your picture on Inshot app, and when you are done, you just come to save here and you have it saved, right? Come to save here and click on save and you have it saved. All these